In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from LSSC. Just a quick heads up, LSSC had been widely reported as a scam, with many users blocked from withdrawing. So proceed at your own risk. Step 1. Open the LSSC app or website and sign into your account. Step 2. Tap Wallet or Assets, then withdraw. Step 3. Pick a method you actually control. Bank transfer or crypto wallet. Avoid sending to new third-party accounts. Step 4. Type the amount, then double-check any fees. Step 5. Enter your bank or wallet address carefully. Step 6. Tap Confirm or Submit. Screenshot the request ID, date, and status.